All right, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our Super Mario Brothers project. Let's have a look at what we went over tonight. Yesterday, I'll let you know that we are running 5 versions of the code, the 2 versions that we're running over in GitHub, the master code that we're running over here, and then the 2 test codes. So I went ahead and copied out the entire master code here so I don't have to keep going back and forth. So we have our setup Mario. This is how we're going to set the game up. Then we have the process environment. This is how we're going to set our environment up and process it and set our specifications. Then we have the train and reinforcement learning model. This is how we're going to train our model and give it its specifications and details. Then we have our test out our model. This is how we're going to test our model and making sure it's sticking to all the specifications and guidelines we gave it. And then we have our, but that was the last one. The last one was testing it out. So this is the entire code here for the automated learning for the Super Mario Brothers game. And I do have the test code 1 and test code 2. So what I'm going to do is instead of just going back and forth, be taking down code, I just wrote out the entire code for the project, and I'm going to fill in test 1 and test 2 go along and do troubleshooting as we go along. So I'm just going to fill in test code 1 and test code 2 from the master code that we have here. And those are 2 different codes that we're running. So we'll be able to run them simultaneously and see what's working and what's not working, what we have to change around, what we don't have to change around, what we can keep, what we don't keep, so on and so forth. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. But for now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.